on my wall, which I'm sitting right next to.
Mm.
And unfortunately, she can climb out the cot. And we don't have stair gates. So.
Fair enough. Hello, diary. Well, there's loads of them. Uta.
It's the Death Star! Oh, come on, no one got that reference?
Screw Star Wars.
Hey, Star Wars is fucking awesome, fuck you. You just pushed a button you should never have pushed.
Push, 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 push.
But no, do you seriously not like Star Wars, James?
No, I like Star Wars.
Oh. If you said, like, you didn't like it, I would have gone ape shit on you. I'd have listed, like, 100 reasons off the bat why you should like it.
Okay, go.
Reason number one, it's Star Wars.
Dun 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 dun. Whatever, geek.
Hey, it's no geek, but Star Wars is awesome as fuck. I mean, out of the whole Star franchise, there's only two I like, which is Star Wars and Stargate. Track and ship can fail.
Pause so I can stop the recording.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever we stop.
Which will be now.
There we go.
I think I'll... Well, how long's mine been on for? An hour. Yeah, I'll do the same, actually.
Yeah.
Stop. Okay. Oh, this time I've got it perfectly fucking synced as well. Right, you ready?
Am I gonna upgrade this time thingy?
You can actually do it this level, yeah. Meaning, James, you can do your shield as well.
Woohoo! Oh shit.
Yay!
Create
a strike. Nah.
No, I still can't.
Okay, it'll be the next area.
God
This
damn it.
level.
Am I buying the creator strike?
No, save your points. You've only got 67,000.
Oh.
You may as well buy the Zircon, because you need to get 100 kills with that out.
Mr. Sir, call me if I may.
Right, James,
Right, hold up.
diagonal left for your Zircon.
Diagonal left.
Yeah.
This.
I've got mine out as well. Right, get the boxes.
What's that? Oh shit.
It's a little
Mine?
robot that helps you out.
Cool.
You need to get 100 kills with that out for a trophy. He himself doesn't need to get 100 kills, you just need to get 100 kills with him out. Which is really quite easy, especially on this level. No, no, Chris, no!
God damn it. Oh shit.
Oh, fuck you. Oh, I was going for James.
Wee.
Oh, you lucky son of a...
Oh, we need to shoot that purple shit.
Uh-huh.
Have fun.
You need to do it as well.
I don't.
2 people need to do it.
God damn it.
I'm saying that, the Glob Lob was Chris's favourite gadget, so...
It was. Yeah.
Right, get all your boxies. There's nothing over that way, James. Apart from fire that kills.
Guys! Jesus!
Oh, you almost stepped into it again.
I
Fire!
can't believe you guys did that to me.
Fire! Yeah, you don't need to do that, James. You'll only get like 10 bolts from it.
10 versus. Well, better than nothing.
There really isn't. James, you do that side? Okay, well, no. Oh. Right, you see that big boulder?
No.
Well, that's about to go Indiana Jones on our ass.
I'll chase it.
No, sorry. The next boulder will go Indiana Jones on our ass.
How does my fist taste? Where's my friend gone?
He dies after a certain amount of time. You have to bring him back out again. But wait.
Why?
Well, because like there'll be an area any second now for it.
We will not hurt you, little creature.
Right. Stop. James, bring it out. Bring it out.
I can't.
Diagonal left.
Yeah, it says 0.
Oh, you must only have 1 then. I thought you had like 4 before you upgraded it.
Screw you!
No, I thought you had 4 before you upgrade. I guess it's 4 after you upgrade. Out the way!
Whoa!
Yeah, this is where you guys will start getting a lot of bolts now. You'll pretty much be getting 40 to 50k at a level.
Oh, I thought you could kill him.
No, don't jump into these purple globs. Well, blue purple.
Don't jump into it, and he does it.
Get your ammo, guys. Crap. Someone knock me out.
Stuff with.
No, you have to
R2
finger it. Yeah, you have to free your wrench at it. I got it.
Oh, I got it. Oh!
Whoa.
Okay.
I'll let you guys kill this.
Lol.
In fact, no, everyone use your con blaster.
I intend to. What is he, a scorpion?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
what?
You can't do anything when he turns into the rock.
That was fail. Got
This
1.
way. Yeah, but 1's still better than nothing. Come on, James, kill him, James, kill him. Shoot them.
Dun 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 dun. I think they're all dead.
Onto the mushrooms.
Lost.
Chris fell off. Bolts, James. And you can also break these mushrooms for bolts. Right, which one are we locking onto? Right.
This one.
Oh, they stuck me.
Me too.
Chris, hit me. There we go. Right, we're all on the same one.
Yeah. I don't got much ammo though.
Me neither.
Oh shit, I'm using the wrong gun even.
Stop turning into a rock.
Balls. Don't worry, there'll be an ammo point soon.
Nah.
I got 14 ammo.
Not worry.
Oh, that was lucky.
See, there's an ammo right there.
Why would I
Motherfucker.
press?
Oh, I can't get the ammo because I can't jump off this.
Yeah, you can.
I can't.
Press circle.
No, not these ones you can't. Watch, James, press triangle. Like, you can't get off.
Oh yeah.
Those
Oh.
ones you can't get off. Double points.
Oh, what?
Don't worry, you'll still have it after that. Just go solely after the boxes,
I'm working on it.
because you won't have time to kill these. Run over these ones, James, in the left. Left, James, over here.
God damn it.
You've lost it. Ooh.
Yeah. Too fast. Uh oh.
Falls.
James got me killed.
That's a genius way to get you killed.
Oh, that was awesome.
You're using the wrong gun.
I don't have ammo in it. So, somebody want to hit me?
I'd love to hit you.
Yeah.